Hello, this is Mike Kilgore with Easy Nano Seal and Ninja Power Soft Wash. The reason I'm coming with you to this video is because I want to show you what untrained contractors can do to your pavers. This was put down approximately 6 to 8 months ago, and the customer called me up and said, "You got to come fix our pavers. This is beyond anything that we can deal with." So I'm going to turn this around. As you can see, there's a lot of mold and mildew, but this is what I really want to show out. This is the effects of using clay sand. So as you can see, it starts to break off very well. They used way too much. They overfilled the gaps. If you've seen any of my videos, it talks about how much sand you want to put down into the gaps there. But you can see how much sand that they've put into these areas here. So we're going to take all this out. It's a nasty job, but somebody's got to do it, and it might as well be us.